Sona Sasta in English means happy and contented.
It's great to have a place to come to, you know, especially when you're on your own.
Sona Sasta, formerly known as Summerhill Meals on Wheels, is operating 23 years this November, the 18th of November to be exact. We're based here in the community centre in Summerhill. We're very fortunate to have such a wonderful facility, excellent kitchen and excellent dining area. The value of the Meals on Wheels project, there's a number. First of all, it combats isolation and loneliness. We cook the meals here on site, 4-course nutritious meals on site on a daily basis. We also have guest speakers in. There's 8 people employed on a community employment scheme. We've 3 in the kitchen, 3 in the dining area, and our own bus and a carer on the bus. Yeah, we're doing an average of 47, 48 meals per day. As I said, it's about 27 or to have them here in the community centre. The balance of the meals are delivered to the people's homes by voluntary drivers. We have a pool of 26 voluntary drivers, which we are most grateful for them for turning up here on a daily basis, giving their time and their commitment to this quality project. We source our recipients from the local GP, the public health nurse. We'd often receive a phone call, we say, from a hospital, from the social worker, somebody, you know, who's coming home and would have no one to cook a meal there. So we either would bring out the meal or collect that person on the bus and bring them into the community centre for their dinner. The Outreach Bus project is operating about 11 years now. On a Monday we go to Kiltale, pick up about 7 or 8 recipients. On a Tuesday we go to Mulhuzzy and Kitloon, on a Wednesday to Longwood, on a Thursday to Enfield, and a Friday to Manalvi. The beauty of the Outreach Bus project is the recipients can do some shopping, collect their pension and collect their prescription in the local pharmacy. Just like to add, our bus is 16 years old, 03, and we're currently fundraising for a new bus. By this time next year we should have our new bus, so I hope to be on it myself someday.
What would you like for the chicken or pork chop? Chicken.
What I have gotten from the project is I met a whole load of new people my age who are good, honest people. We were neighbours before, but now we're close neighbours and we're good neighbours, and we meet every day and have a chat and a banter and a nice dinner, and then we have a lovely game of bingo, which is the banter of all the banters.
All the ones 11, no one else with me, Hall? No. That's probably your age flashing up, me, Hall. 1 and 7, 17. You've won yourself a bonus prize of 15 cherry tomatoes.
Everybody is treated the same, there's no difference. And you sit down and have a lovely meal served by a friendly bunch of girls. And everything, health and safety, it couldn't be any better. And it's cheap. Like it's not for nothing, but it's cheap. You can sit and have a chat, whatever the topic of the day is. You can talk about it, and some talk soccer and some talk Gaelic and some talk politics and whatever. You know you're not walking into a top hotel. You're walking into like a second home.
And it's lovely that you have somewhere to come to each day, meet a lot of people, and have a bit of chat and a bit of laugh.